Understanding your customers is essential, especially in retail luxury segments like jewelry. With tools like Power BI, we can turn complex data into clear visual insights, helping businesses make smart, data-driven decisions. Let's explore how this dashboard, Jewellery Sales Insights, does exactly that. We're looking at the customer analysis page of the dashboard. On the left, we have slicers for metal, channel, style, and on the right corner, we have sales date, allowing users to filter data dynamically. The customer consumption ring at the top shows full engagement, currently at 100%. On the left, a bar chart shows customer count by style, with party and traditional styles leading in popularity. At the top center, a line chart tracks the count of customers by month. January saw the highest activity with 84 customers, while February and September were the slowest months. Below that, the metal preference chart highlights gold and silver as top-selling choices. On the right, a donut chart breaks down customer count by channel, showing store as the largest contributor, followed by e-commerce and export Middle East. At the bottom, a detailed bar chart displays customer count by product type, with rings, earrings, and watch topping the list in terms of sales. This kind of analysis helps businesses refine their marketing strategies, manage stock smarter, and connect with customers more effectively. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.